myself. My name is Blackrose Kitchen. Just for a time pass. I'm a housewife, so I need time, something to do to spend the time. So I have opened my YouTube channel, which is called the Blackrose Kitchen. And I'll take you to my kitchen. Firstly, this is my kitchen where I have to cook nice, delicious curry every day. So you can follow me and enjoy and cook. Follow my instruction and cook same as me, and so that you can enjoy a delicious curry. That is my aim, helping you in a indirect way, helping you guys to cook nice curry and let me take you to my home for a while. These are some of my certificates. These are some of my certificates that I was invited to get to grace the function. And this is Cookie Student Organization Certificate. This is Blackrose Church. This is sports, I think. This is also Blackrose. This is Cookie Student Organization. Then comes this is some of the pictures that I take with my husband, my daughter. This is certificate, memento for BCF Online Meet. I was the chief guest here. And this is my lovely husband, loving husband. Come, let's go to my house. This is my daughter's room, single bedroom, my daughter's room. And follow me to my son. My son's room is messed up because he's a boy. And here is the terrace that oh God, it's raining heavily today. We are in the second floor and third floor. This is our locality. This is Agara Hormagu. May tempat kagak asin. And this is the treadmill that I never ran. Treadmill. If you guys think that I should do some workout, I should start doing, I think.